welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Kangana Ranaut, starrer Queen, recently completed 7 years, but did you know that this was supposed to be her last film as an actor? You heard it right. On completing 7 successful years of the film, Kangana took to social media and wrote that she had signed this film for money and thought that this would never release in theatres. With the money that she got from the film, she went to New York to study film. In fact, she was apparently approached by an agency in Hollywood as a director, but to her surprise, Queen released in theatres and it changed her life forever, becoming the women-centric parallel film and even bagged her national award for her performance. Global icon and actor Priyanka Chopra Jonas is all set to open an Indian restaurant named Sona in New York later this month. You heard it right. Sona, headed by chef Hari Nayak, will serve all the Indian delicacies and flavors that the actor grew up with in India. Taking to Instagram, the actor shared the picture of the restaurant and even a few pictures of doing a puja from 2019, where Priyanka Chopra and Nick are seen performing a small ritual for good luck. Now, PC is partnering with restaurateur David Revin and also her friend and businessman Manish Goyal to open the new eatery called Sona. Actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui's wife Alia Siddiqui recently halted all the divorce proceedings and even withdrew the divorce notice, saying that even though Nawazuddin Siddiqui and her are not on the same page, they don't want their kids to suffer and that the kids are their priority. Now, Nawazuddin too reacted to Alia's change of decision and said that he would not prefer talking about his personal life. However, Alia will and is still the mother of his kids, and the fact that they have shared almost a decade together, he will always support her no matter what. The first look picture of actors Aamir Khan and Ellie Avram from their special dance sequence for Amin Haji's film Koi Jaane Na is going viral on social media. Now, the poster came a month after the duo's dance video got leaked and went viral all over the internet. Now, Ellie Avram took to social media to share the posters and called Aamir Khan the jack of all trades in the caption. Actors Rajkumar Rao and Bhumi Pednekar have finally wrapped the shoots for their film Badhai Do. Now, both Bhumi Pednekar and Rajkumar Rao took to Instagram to inform their fans about the same and express that their excitement on making a special film. Harshvardhan Kulkarni's directorial will mark the collaboration of both the actors for the first time. In fact, Rajkumar Rao will be playing the role of a male cop in Mahila Thana, while Bhumi Pednekar will be playing the role of a PT teacher. Badhai Do is being made by the makers of 2018 film Badhai Ho, starring Ayushmann Khurrana. Bollywood actor and diva Pooja Bhatt is all set to make her acting comeback with Netflix original series Bombay Begum, which will showcase 5 ambitious women from various walks of life navigating dreams, desires and disappointments in modern-day Mumbai. Now, in an interview, Pooja Bhatt said that she had buried the actor in her and had concentrated on directing and producing films. However, she is all set to return as an actor. A picture of Bollywood's King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, paying respects to his parents' grave in Delhi is going viral on social media. Now, the actor who recently visited Delhi paid his respects to them, and the pictures of the same is doing rounds on social media. Shah Rukh Khan will be next seen playing the role of a raw agent in his upcoming film Pathaan, which will also feature actors like Deepika Padukone, John Abraham, and not to forget a cameo by Salman Khan. Netizens are all excited and trending the hashtag Happy Birthday Anupam Kher on Twitter as the veteran actor turned 66 today. Now, Anupam Kher is known for his versatile acting, right from playing serious father roles to fun-loving father and uncle and even a comedian. Now, Anupam Kher has entertained movie lovers for about 30 years and now he will be seen in Amitabh Bachchan's film Unchai, which will speak of friendship at old age. People in New York are more than happy to return to theatres after almost a year this weekend, not caring about what's running in theatres. Now, the Hollywood industry will be seeing massive releases from May, right from Black Widow releasing on May 7th to Free Guy on the 21st of May. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.